Hey everyone! So you're looking to dive into the world of side hustles but feel a bit overwhelmed because you think you don't have the experience? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you how to kickstart a profitable side hustle from scratch with zero experience required. First things first, let's talk about the power of leveraging what you already know. Yes, even your hobbies or daily tasks can be turned into a money-making venture. Let's say you love graphic design or writing. Platforms like Fiverr or Upwork are gold mines for finding freelance gigs that don't necessarily require professional experience, just a good grasp of your skill and the willingness to learn. Now let's move on to something I find incredibly underrated: dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products without holding any inventory. You simply set up an online store, market the products, and the supplier ships them directly to your customers. The best part, there are tons of free resources online to help you get started. You just need to bring your enthusiasm and some savvy marketing tactics. Speaking of marketing, social media can be your best friend when starting a side hustle. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, or even LinkedIn, creating content that resonates with your target audience can drive traffic and sales. And guess what? You don't need a degree in marketing to get started. Authenticity goes a long way. Share your journey, the ups, the downs, and watch as people start engaging with your brand. Lastly, let's not underestimate the importance of resilience and adaptability. Starting a new venture without experience can be daunting, but it's all about the learning curve. Each challenge is a stepping stone towards your success. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So take that first step, stay committed, and gradually you will build the expertise you need. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey? Remember, the only thing stopping you is the hesitation to start. Dive in, learn on the go, and who knows? Your side hustle might just turn into your main hustle. Until next time, keep pushing forward and let's make it happen.